show you that how you can make a picture transparent in your PPT presentation. So let's begin. First of all, open your Microsoft PowerPoint and then go to Insert tab and select the picture you want. Like I am selecting this one. So then, first of all, I can make you clear that PowerPoint doesn't allow you to make the picture transparent directly. As you can see this, so no worries. We can fix the problem by following some easy steps. So again go to Insert tab and go to Shapes bar and select Rectangle and cover the whole picture area and then keep the shape aside and then right click on your picture and copy it and then right click on your shape and go to Format Shape. So you will select Picture or Texture Fill option and then go to Clipboard. As you can see, the exact copy of your picture has come, and now you can adjust the transparency level you want. Say I hope you would get a lot of knowledge from my video. And that's the end of my video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.